Please hit the subscribe button for more videos and don't forget to share with your friends. Decimal numbers are the numbers we use every day. Thinking of them as the normal counting system, it is called decimal because deci means 10 and the system is based on 10 digits. When numbers get bigger than 9, we start combining digits. After 9 comes 10, one group of 10 and 0 left over. After 19 comes 20, two groups of 10 and 0 left over. We also use decimal numbers for fractions by adding a dot called a decimal point, like 3.5 or 7.25. This lets us write numbers in between whole numbers. For example, 5 means exactly 5, and 5.5 means 5 and a half. In short, decimal numbers are just our everyday numbers based on groups of 10. How to convert from decimal to binary? Let's convert convert decimal number 4 to binary. What you are doing is dividing it by 2. You know, binary we say it's a base 2 system, so you are dividing it by 2. So 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Remainder 0. Two divided by 2 will give us 1. Remainder 0. 1 divided by 2 will give us 0. Remainder 1. So if you write it, what you are now going to do is you are picking the remainders. That is what you are going to write, the remainders. So you are taking them from bottom to top. So decimal number 4 in binary is equal to 100. That is just the answer. What you are doing is you are dividing it by 2. You take the remainder, you write it. 2 divided by 2, the remainder, you write it. 1 divided by 2, the remainder, you are writing it. Then you write the answer from top to bottom to 100. All right, let's take another example. Convert 67 to binary. Like what we said earlier, what you are doing is dividing it by 2 until you arrive at 0. Once your answer is 0, that is when you stop. So now let's take this example. 67 divided by 2 will give us 33. Remainder 1. What we mean 33 remainder 1, meaning that 2 can go into 67 33 times, remaining 1 times. Okay, let me just break this down to you. Let's take the calculation. 67 divided by 2 will give you 33. So 33 remainder something. So now I want to know how we got this remainder 1, meaning 33 times 2 will give us 66. 67 minus this 66 will give us 1. Minus 66 will give us 1. So that is where we get the remainder 1, meaning that 2 can go into 67 into 33. 67 divided by 2 will give you 33 remainder 1, meaning 2 can go into 67 33 times, remaining 1. So that is how we got this one. So now we'll take the 33, we'll divide it by 2 again. It will give you 16 remainder 1. If you multiply 16 by 2, it will give you 32. 33 minus 32, 33 minus 32 will still give you 1. So meaning 2 can go into 33 times. 33 divided by 2 will give you 16 remainder 1, meaning 2 can go into 33 times 16 times, remaining 1. So you write the 1. Then the same thing, 16 divided by 2 will give you 8. We give you 8 remainder 1. Sorry, remainder 0. 8 divided by 32 will give you 4 remainder 0. 4 divided by 32 will give you 2 remainder 0. 2 divided by 2 will give us 1 remainder 0. 1 divided by 2 will give us 0 remainder 1. So we have arrived at 0 here, so we are stopping. So now you now write the answer, the remainders in reverse form, from top to bottom. From bottom to top. You're writing it from bottom to top. So decimal number 67 in binary is equal to 1000011. So 10 from bottom to top, 1000011 as your answer.